Why spend a fortune on perfume when you can eventually make your own for a cheaper cost? There is no doubt that brand name perfumes are very expensive. So why spend that much when you can create your own unique fragrance? By the way, instead of wearing a fragrance that everyone else wears, why not make your own unique blend in the comfort of your home? It may also interest you that starting a perfume production side hustle, and not just for personal use, is a fantastic venture that you won't regret doing. It is a cool way to turn your passion into a rewarding side hustle. Hello, dear viewers, and welcome to our channel, The 1001 Entrepreneurs, where our main focus is entrepreneurship development, and we are always thrilled to have you here. Today's video is a very short one and will teach you how to produce a long-lasting spray perfume at the comfort of your home. It is a request from one of our esteemed subscribers, Usman Merit. But before we dive into the main content, I want to extend a special welcome and big shout outs to all our returning subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Your continued support means the world to us, and we are so grateful to have such an awesome community of DIY enthusiasts. The positive comments from most of our subscribers give us the drive to produce more and more videos. For example, Mr. Michael from Uganda has this to say: "My family, my community, and everyone around me is feeding because of you. You made me self-employed, and I do not regret visiting your site. Thanks a lot." Here is another feedback from a Nigerian. "Nobody should be hungry in Nigeria. There are so many opportunities for people who are looking." This video right here is an indication that there are so many opportunities to make legit money from. Keep up the good work, bro. So, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you to the family, and we pray that you always find what you are looking for. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. Sit back and relax as I show you how to produce about 1 liter of long-lasting spray perfume using our tried and tested formula. Here are the 3 basic ingredients for the production of our long-lasting spray perfume. Alcohol, specifically ethanol or a mixture of ethanol and water, is a crucial ingredient in perfume formulations. Ethanol is considered safer for use in cosmetic and personal care products compared to methanol. Methanol can be toxic, and its absorption through the skin or inhalation poses health risks. More so, ethanol is generally recognized as safe for topical application and has long history of safe use in perfumery. It is an excellent solvent that helps dissolve and stabilize various fragrance compounds. This dissolution is crucial for creating a homogeneous mixture of the different components in the perfume. Alcohol also evaporates quickly when applied to the skin. This rapid evaporation helps disperse the fragrance into the air, allowing it to be perceived by the wearer and those around them. Propylene glycol makes the perfume blend not to evaporate quickly. It helps the fragrance to last a little longer. Also, it can contribute to the stability of the perfume by preventing the separation of different components. It helps keep the fragrance well blended and prevents the settling of any of the ingredients that may be present in the formulation. Perfume oil or perfume concentrate is the primary source of the desired fragrance in a perfume. It contains a combination of essential oils, absolutes, resins, and synthetic aroma chemicals that create the unique scent profile of the fragrance. It is the major ingredient that defines our perfume. You will need some of these basic equipment or tools to aid your production. Measuring cylinders or graduated beakers, Funnels, especially the very small ones that will fit into the spray bottles. A mixing container, get one with a tight cover or lid. And finally, very clean or sterile spray bottles. Warning: you are dealing with highly flammable substances. Please do not carry any production that involves alcohol or concentrated perfume near an open flame or intense heat source. Work safely to avoid the risks of fire or dangers associated with chemicals. Make sure you carry out this kind of production in a well-ventilated environment. Keep all chemicals away from children and pets. And don't forget to use appropriate PPEs. Formulation for the production of about 1 liter of the spray perfume. Perfume concentrate 300 ml, ethanol 600 ml, propylene glycol 50 ml. For the best results, always mix 1 portion of the perfume concentrate with 2 portions of alcohol. Also, propylene glycol should be up to 7 to 10% of the total volume of the alcohol plus the perfume concentrate. Procedure. Step number 1. Measure and pour 600 ml of ethanol into the mixing container. Step number 2. Measure and pour just 50 ml of propylene glycol into the mixing container. Cover it and give it a little shake. Step number 3. Measure and pour 300 ml of perfume into the mixing container. Using our measuring cylinder, this is the first 100 ml. Now we have 200 mils. And finally, our 300 mils is complete. Cover the container and give it a very good shake. Ensure you shake very well. And please, don't use it immediately. Leave it covered for a minimum of 2 weeks or more for maturity to complete. This is needed for all the ingredients of the formula to harmoniously blend together and for the scent to become stronger. For those people who will prefer alcohol-free perfume for a few reasons, starting with the strength and harshness of alcohol or sensitive skin nature, we also have a video on production of perfume without using alcohol. The link will be in the video description and also in the comment section. Now back to business. The final step is to package your product in sterile or very clean spray bottles, ready for use or for the market. Remember to store them away from open flame or intense heat source. Here are some benefits of a good homemade perfume. It enhances mood, it boosts confidence, it boosts health, makes you attractive, triggers memories, combats insomnia, cures headache, and lots more. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up to help the video to rank on YouTube. Encourage us also by dropping positive comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are yet to do so. God bless you always.